This is kind of an interesting little corner. Little vintage shop. Hello. And that's our street, Fortuna. It's kind of filmed. It's an interesting street, little vintage corner. So what we're gonna do is just gonna go straight down this way, and what we're we're kind of at the end of the street, and what we're gonna do is go right into this big, busy street. Sao Paulo ruins is down that way, Center Square, pretty much everything. But we have this beautiful little patio right here with the little vintage shops and a cigar shop, a couple other small things. So we're gonna highlight that as well. So stay tuned for that. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so that's where we started at. There's a vintage shop right there in the corner. Goes right up against these rocks. This rocks goes up to Mount Fortress, which is one of the higher peaks, and there's a fortress up there as well, for a historical one. There's another vintage shop right here as well. So we have two vintage shops, one at the very base, one right here, and then we got another one right here, the third vintage shop. So let's see how many we got in here. It's also mixed with residential, of course, too, so you can see all the residential apartments. It's one of the cool things about Macau is you have these little patios. So this is a very busy street straight ahead, but when you're in this patio, you wouldn't know it. It's very quiet. There's no cars that go through. It's just kind of one directional as well. I don't know how the businesses do in the patios, but if people know there's, you know, 3 vintage shops right here, of course people interested in vintage things will go there. Green tea, matcha, manfong. I think that's kind of similar. Maybe it's even the same shop. This one they're making it's like a little cookie factory. Let's go down. There's another little thing down here. Supreme Cellar, you got wine. And I think this is also Fortuna too. Looks like they got hamburgers and fries. So we're gonna go down to that as well. Yeah, it's also the same patio as well. So Pátio Fortuna. Patata, so that's potatoes.
Hello.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
Very good. Just walking around and filming, so.
You want coffee, anything?
Just taking a look. Established 2020, just before COVID.
Yeah, more than 2 years.
More than 2 years already. Yeah. Sounds good. You got hamburgers and French fries, coffee,
yeah,
Coca-Cola.
And patata, that's a potato.
Potatoes, patata.
Potato cake, yeah, from Spanish.
Oh, it does look kind of good. And pasta as well. Oh,
yeah,
that's sandwiches too.
That's the Spanish popular food.
Yeah.
You just like pizza, burger everywhere.
That looks pretty good too. So this is called patata.
Yeah, patata, Spanish. Means potato.
Potato, all right. Sounds making me hungry.
There's too many potato, right? Potato and potato couch.
Yeah.
The American people sitting on the TV and we call potato couch.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'm just filming Patio de Fortuna, so I put it on YouTube. And I'm just kind of filming the streets.
Good. Thank you.
So yeah, so thank you for showing me patata. So have a good night.
You too.
So Fortuna has so we got vintage shops up the top. We have patata down at the side, Spanish food, potatoes, specialties, even like a baguette sandwich as well. And we're gonna get into this really busy street when we come up here, which is gonna be coming up real soon. Actually, that does make me kind of hungry. I have plans already for eating, so our vintage shops are up that way. Okay. So let's head on down. God's snack. And this one is a cigarillo, a cigarro. So I think It's kind of interesting as well. Let me just see. I'm just gonna take a look in here real quick. Okay. Like a little bit of a cigarette and drinks. Souvenir. Hello. Very cool. We'll just highlight this real quick. So they do have some magnets. Okay. We even have this one right here, Rua de Formosa. This is where we're at. Okay. And we're just gonna come on out. So now we're back. Now we're down on our busy little street, and we got our sign way up there, Fortuna Street. Lots of people here. They'll come and get these snacks. So we saw the little factory that was up above, and so it looks like they probably get them from up there. Makes sense. They did. Yeah, this is just you can just buy everything in here. So this is where they'll sell it, and they'll make it up there. So Travessa de Fortuna. Kind of get to see Macau at night. So pretty cool. And Sao Paulo ruins is up there a little bit. Sao Paulo ruins is way up there. There's lots of cool stuff everywhere around here. So we're gonna head down as well. So that was Travessa de Fortuna. Is this up that street a little bit? I think we're gonna end it. So we're gonna end it right there. And our street was just right up away from this one, right up that way. All kinds of cool stuff up there. Fortuna. So hope you like that one. Another little bit of Macau for you. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.